The Fransiton black gold wall mount pot filler faucet serves as a sophisticated addition to any modern kitchen, blending high-end aesthetics with practical utility. Constructed from premium brass, this fixture is designed for durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability in high heat environments. Its striking black and gold finish provides a luxurious contrast that complements contemporary cabinetry and high-performance ranges, turning a functional plumbing tool into a centerpiece of kitchen design. Functionality is at the core of the Fransiton black gold wall mount pot filler faucet, which features a double-joint swing arm for maximum reach and flexibility. This stretchable design allows the faucet to extend directly over large pots on the stovetop, eliminating the physical strain of carrying heavy, water-filled containers from the sink. The dual-handle system provides precise control over water flow, allowing for quick shut-offs and preventing accidental leaks or spills during intensive cooking sessions. Installing the Fransiton black gold wall mount pot filler faucet optimizes kitchen workflow by streamlining the preparation of pasta, soups, and stews. The single-hole wall mount configuration saves valuable counter space while maintaining a clean and professional look. When not in use, the articulated arm folds flat against the backsplash, keeping the cooking area unobstructed and tidy. This faucet represents an ideal fusion of elegant craftsmanship and professional-grade performance. For the home chef, pros: affordable price, high-quality material, easy to install, beautiful aesthetic, nice heavy feel, includes extra cartridge, soft shut-off function, great value, works very well. Convenient for filling pots, sturdy brass fittings, fast shipping, eye-catching design, folding. Stretchable arm. Cons: arrived with a faucet body crack, unit leaks in new home, leak was not fixable, received with scratches on item. Features: black gold finish, wall mount design, solid brass construction, folding stretchable arm, double joint swing arm, single hole installation, dual handle control. The Fransiton black gold wall mount pot filler faucet serves as a sophisticated addition to any modern kitchen, blending high-end aesthetics with practical utility. Constructed from premium brass, this fixture is designed for durability and resistance to corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability in high heat environments. Its striking black and gold finish provides a luxurious contrast that complements contemporary cabinetry and high-performance ranges, turning a functional plumbing tool into a centerpiece of kitchen design. The Fransiton black gold pot filler is highly regarded for its affordable price, high-quality brass construction, and eye-catching aesthetic that adds a premium feel to any kitchen. Users appreciate its practical features, such as the double-jointed folding arm for convenient pot filling, the inclusion of an extra cartridge, and a soft shut-off function that ensures smooth operation. However, some customers have encountered significant quality control issues, including units arriving with scratches or cracks in the faucet body that led to unfixable leaks in new installations. Despite these durability concerns for some, many find it to be a sturdy, easy to install, and great value option that performs effectively when received in good condition.